Selling on BigIron.com July 1st, 2015. Case 590 Turbo Backhoe with 4,829 hours showing. It is a Construction King Extend-A-Hoe. It has 86 horsepower, a 4-cylinder 3.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine, torque converter, synchronized 4-speed transmission with power shuttle and differential lock transaxle, a 24-inch and 12-inch backhoe bucket, 8-foot loader bucket. It has auxiliary hydraulic, a block heater, air conditioning and heat. The rear tires are 19.5L-24s and the front tires are 11L-16s. For more information, call Kirk at 308-233-3268. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.